Today we're reviewing Copy.ai. In specific, we are creating copywriting for your own website. This is super easy to do. You write a few lines and then you'll have amazing copy ready to go. The first step for you will be to go to actions and then create a new project. I like to do this to stay organized. So this way, if I'm managing different clients, businesses, or even for my own personal projects, I make sure that everything is organized.
That's awesome.
So for this one, the project name, I'll put the name of the business that I'm creating copy. This is a sample business that I'm using to actually see the potential of the platform. Then let's go to website name. I'll put btgrills.com. Then choose tone. You can pick whatever you want depending on your branding. For this one, I'll pick relax. And then let's click save. So right here, we are inside our project. Now let's go to the playground to start creating copy for our website. The first option that we have is landing page hero text. So for this one, we'll copy the actual name of the business, BT Grills. And then for the description, we have a few lines describing our main product. So we go ahead and paste it right here. Then right here, if we want to be a little bit more specific about our products, we can click this option right here and put our target audience, our occasion, and promotion. This is up to you if you want to be a little bit more specific, or you can keep it simple and scan it just like this one. So for the target audience, we can put that like to grill. And then occasion, we can put summer sale. And the promotion, we have free shipping. Right here, we'll be ready to go and start creating our landing page hero text. So let's go and click create. Then right here, we're ready to go.
Grill anytime, anywhere.
This is the hero text that goes right there as soon as your homepage loads. Then we have
Cooking made simple, just right for the deck or patio.
Then
we believe in the power of great grilling.
I like this one. So then we favorite it and then click make more. So the AI will start learning what you're actually looking for, and then each result will be more accurate. So make sure you start creating more and more until you find the one that you're actually looking for.
Sounds like a planonus.
And then you can preview them right here. As you can see inside our project, we have several of them that we liked, and then you can copy all, you can export as a CSV, as you can see right here, and you can also share it with your team, etc. So it's super easy to do, and obviously you can customize them. You can do whatever you want. You can copy right here and then you paste it on your website and customize the words and make it your own. So let's go and test, for example, the blog intro. So if we need some inspiration to start writing, we can actually use this and then click create. Then we have,
if you're a dad that likes to grill, then this list is for you. With Father's Day quickly approaching, I know the struggle of finding the perfect gift is already on your mind.
You can see how well formatted this is, and it will be the perfect start for a blog. So you don't have to be thinking and brainstorming and spending like an hour or so trying to come up with an idea for your blog. Right here, you have a ton of options to choose from, okay? So now let's go and test the bullet point to paragraph. So let's go and copy the name of the business right here. And then let's put the actual description of the business right here. So we can be a little bit more specific if we want, but I think it's good for now. So let's go and click create. So right here we have,
I feel that we all have unhealthy habits, etc.
So you can see it's a rich paragraph. You can pause the video if you want to read the full paragraph, but you can see how rich and how many of them we have. So that is it for today. I'm so happy that you got to see the power of Copy.ai. So make sure to go down in the link in the description and then try it for yourself for 7 days free. I will see you in the next one.